بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
ألف لام را كتاب أنزلناه إليك لتخرج الناس من الظلمات إلى النور بإذن ربهم إلى صراط العزيز الحميد.
Alif Lam Ra. This is a book which we have revealed to you, that you may bring forth mankind from every kind of darkness into light, and direct them with the leave of their Lord to the way of the mighty, the innately praiseworthy.
الله الذي له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وويل للكافرين من عذاب شديد.
To the way of Allah, to whom belongs all that is in the heavens and all that is in the earth. Woe be to those who reject the truth for a severe chastisement.
الذين يستحبون الحياة الدنيا على الآخرة ويصدون عن سبيل الله ويبغونها عوجا أولئك في ضلال بعيد.
To those who have chosen the life of the world in preference to the hereafter, who hinder people from the way of Allah and seek to make it crooked, they have gone far astray.
وما أرسلنا من رسول إلا بلسان قومه ليبين لهم فيضل الله من يشاء ويهدي من يشاء وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Never have we sent a messenger, but he has addressed his people in their language, that he may fully expound his message to them. And after the message is expounded, Allah lets go astray whomsoever He wills, and guides to the right way whomsoever He wills. He is the Almighty, the All-Wise.
وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا مُوسَى بِآيَاتِنَا أن أخرج قومك من الظلمات إلى النور وذكرهم بأيام الله إن في ذلك لآيات لكل صبار شكور.
We indeed sent Moses with our signs, saying, Lead your people out of all kinds of darkness into light, and admonish them by narrating to them anecdotes from the days of Allah. Verily in it there are great signs for everyone who is patient and gives thanks to Allah.
وَإِذْ قَالَ مُوسَى لِقَوْمِهِ اذْكُرُوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ عَلَيْكُمْ إِذْ أَنْجَاكُمْ مِنْ آلِ فِرْعَوْنَ يَسُومُونَكُمْ سُوءَ الْعَذَابِ وَيُذَبِّحُونَ أَبْنَاءَكُمْ وَيَسْتَحْيُونَ نِسَاءَكُمْ وفي ذلكم بلاء من ربكم عظيم.
And call to mind when Moses said to his people, Remember Allah's favor upon you when He delivered you from Pharaoh's people, who afflicted you with a grievous chastisement, slaughtering your sons while letting your women live. In it there was a terrible trial from your Lord.
وَإِذْ تَأَذَّنَ رَبُّكُمْ لَئِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ وَلَئِن كَفَرْتُمْ إِنَّ عَذَابِي لَشَدِيدٌ.
Also call to mind when your Lord proclaimed, "If you give thanks, I will certainly grant you more. But if you are ungrateful for my favors, my chastisement is terrible."
وَقَالَ مُوسَى إِن تَكْفُرُوا أَنْتُمْ وَمَنْ فِي الْأَرْضِ جَمِيعًا فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَغَنِيٌّ حَمِيدٌ.
Moses said, "Were you to disbelieve, you and all those who live on earth, Allah is still self-sufficient, innately praiseworthy."
أَلَمْ يَأْتِكُمْ نَبَأُ الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِكُمْ قَوْمِ نُوحٍ وَعَادٍ وَثَمُودَ وَالَّذِينَ مِنْ بَعْدِهِمْ لَا يَعْلَمُهُمْ إِلَّا اللَّهُ جَاءَتْهُمْ رُسُلُهُم بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ فَرَدُّوا أَيْدِيَهُمْ فِي أَفْوَاهِهِمْ وَقَالُوا إِنَّا كَفَرْنَا بِمَا أُرْسِلْتُمْ بِهِ وَإِنَّا لَفِي شَكٍّ مِّمَّا تَدْعُونَنَا إِلَيْهِ مُرِيبٍ.
Have the accounts of your predecessors not reached you, the people of Noah, the Ad, the Thamud, and those who came after them, they whose number is not known to any except Allah? Their messengers came to them with clear signs, but they thrust their hands in their mouths and said, "We do surely reject the message you have brought, and we are in disquieting doubt about what you are summoning us to."
قالت رسلهم أفي الله شك فاطر السماوات والأرض يدعوكم ليغفر لكم من ذنوبكم ويؤخركم إلى أجل مسمى قالوا إن أنتم إلا بشر مثلنا تريدون أن تصدونا عما كان يعبد آباؤنا فأتونا بسلطان مبين.
Their messenger said, "Can there be any doubt about Allah, the creator of the heavens and the earth? He invites you that He may forgive you your sins and grant you respite till an appointed term." They replied, "You are only a human being like ourselves. You seek to prevent us from serving those whom our forefathers have been serving all along. If that is so, produce a clear authority for it."
قالت لهم رسلهم إن نحن إلا بشر مثلكم ولكن الله يمن على من يشاء من عباده وما كان لنا أن نأتيكم بسلطان إلا بإذن الله وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
Their messengers told them, "Indeed, we are only human beings like yourselves, but Allah bestows His favor on those of His servants whom He wills. It does not lie in our power to produce any authority except by the leave of Allah. It is in Allah that the believers should put their trust."
وما لنا ألا نتوكل على الله وقد هدانا سبلنا ولنصبرن على ما آذيتمونا وعلى الله فليتوكل المتوكلون.
And why should we not put our trust in Allah when it is indeed He who has guided us to the ways of our life? We shall surely continue to remain steadfast in face of your persecution. All those who have to put trust should put their trust only in Allah.
وقال الذين كفروا لرسلهم لنخرجنكم من أرضنا أو لتعودن في ملتنا فأوحى إليهم ربهم لنهلكن الظالمين.
Then the unbelievers told their messengers, "You will have to return to the fold of our faith, or else we shall banish you from our land." Thereupon their Lord revealed to them, "We will most certainly destroy these wrongdoers.
وَلَنُسْكِنَنَّكُمُ الْأَرْضَ مِنْ بَعْدِهِمْ ذَلِكَ لِمَنْ خَافَ مَقَامِي وَخَافَ وَعِيدِ.
And will then cause you to settle in the land as their successors. That is the reward for him who fears to stand for reckoning and holds my threat in awe."
وَاسْتَفْتَحُوا وَخَابَ كُلُّ جَبَّارٍ عَنِيدٍ.
They sought our judgment, and thanks to that judgment, every obstinate tyrant opposed to the truth was brought to naught.
مِنْ وَرَائِهِ جَهَنَّمُ وَيُسْقَى مِنْ مَاءٍ صَدِيدٍ.
Hell is before him, and he shall be made to drink of the oozing pus.
يتجرعه ولا يكاد يسيغه ويأتيه الموت من كل مكان وما هو بميت ومن ورائه عذاب غليظ.
Which he will gulp, but will scarcely swallow, and death will come upon him from every quarter, and yet he will not be able to die. A terrible chastisement lies ahead in pursuit of him.
مثل الذين كفروا بربهم أعمالهم كرماد اشتدت به الريح في يوم عاصف لا يقدرون مما كسبوا على شيء ذلك هو الضلال البعيد.
This is the example of those who disbelieve in their Lord. Their works are like ashes, upon which the wind blows fiercely on a tempestuous day. They shall find no reward for their deeds. That indeed is the farthest point in straying.
ألم تر أن الله خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق إن يشأ يذهبكم ويأتي بخلق جديد.
Do you not see that Allah created the heavens and the earth in truth? Were He to will, He could take you away and bring a new creation.
وما ذلك على الله بعزيز.
That is not at all difficult for Allah.
وبرزوا لله جميعا فقال الضعفاء للذين استكبروا إنا كنا لكم تبعا فهل أنتم مغنون. فهل أنتم مغنون عنا من عذاب الله من شيء قالوا لو هدانا الله لهديناكم سواء علينا أجزعنا أم صبرنا ما لنا من محيص.
Then all of them will appear exposed before Allah, and the weak ones will say to the haughty ones, "We merely followed you. Will you then protect us from Allah's chastisement?" They will say, "Had Allah shown us the way to our salvation, we would surely have also guided you. Now it is all the same, whether we cry or suffer patiently, we have no escape."
وقال الشيطان لما قضي الأمر إن الله وعدكم وعد الحق ووعدتكم فأخلفتكم وما كان لي عليكم من سلطان إلا أن دعوتكم فاستجبتم لي فلا تلوموني ولوموا أنفسكم ما أنا بمصرخكم وما أنتم بمصرخي إني كفرت بما أشركتمون من قبل إن الظالمين لهم عذاب أليم.
After the matter has been finally decided, Satan will say, "Surely whatever Allah promised you was true. As for me, I went back on the promise I made to you. I had no power over you except that I called you to my way and you responded to me. So do not blame me, but blame yourselves. Here neither I can come to your rescue, nor can you come to mine. I disavow your former act of associating me in the past with Allah. A grievous chastisement inevitably lies ahead for such wrongdoers."
وأدخل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها بإذن ربهم تحيتهم فيها سلام.
As for those who had believed and did good in the world, they shall be admitted to the gardens beneath which rivers flow. There, with the leave of Allah, they shall abide forever and will be greeted with peace.
ألم تر كيف ضرب الله مثلا كلمة طيبة كشجرة طيبة أصلها ثابت وفرعها في السماء.
Do you not see how Allah has given the example of a good word? It is like a good tree whose root is firmly fixed and whose branches reach the sky.
تؤتي أكلها كل حين بإذن ربها ويضرب الله الأمثال للناس لعلهم يتذكرون.
Ever yielding its fruit in every season with the leave of its Lord. Allah gives examples for mankind that they may take heed.
ومثل كلمة خبيثة كشجرة خبيثة اجتثت من فوق الأرض ما لها من قرار.
And the example of an evil word is that of an evil tree uprooted from the surface of the earth, wholly unable to endure.